Good morning students, I am Harpreet Kaur from Akal Academy, Dialpura Mirja. I want to ask something from you. Have you ever tasted lemon? Can you tell me the taste of lemon? Which taste it is? It has. Yes, it has sour taste. And have you ever tasted bitter gourd? Its taste is bitter. Like these, salt has salty taste. Depending on these different tastes, we can classify them into acids, base and salts. A substance which has sour taste are called acid, and the substances which have bitter taste are called bases. And the rest one substances which have salty taste are called salts. Now you have little activity. You can collect different household items and classify them after tasting into acids, base and salts. Students, I have collected some household items like liquid soap, lemon, soap bar, tomato and toothpaste, salt, sugar. Can you classify these household items into acids, base and salts? Yes, we can classify these according to their taste. As you all know, lemon has sour taste. Similarly, tomato also has a citric taste, or we can say it has oxalic acid. It has a citric acid in it. So we can classify this in acid category. And if we come on bar soap, it has bitter taste. It means it is a base. Similarly, liquid soap is also a base. And toothpaste, these are also a base. And salt, it has a salty taste, so we can classify this in salt. Now come on sugar. Can you guess, can you tell me which taste it has? It has a sweet taste, so it is neither acid nor base nor salt. That's why I have kept this in separate category. So these are the household items which I grouped into acids, base, salt. Students, now you can know more about acids. There are the two type of acids: natural acids which we find in nature, and mineral acids which are in strong action and we can make artificially these type of acids. First I am going to discuss some natural acids. Citric acid, as I already told you, lemon and orange has a citric taste. That's why these type of acids are called citric acids. Tomato has oxalic acid, and vinegar has acetic acid. Yogurt has lactic acid, and fizzy drinks has carbonic acids. These all are natural acids which are in mild action, or we can say these are not very strong acids. So these are present in nature in very less amount. In contrast, there are the strong acids we make in artificial way. These are hydrochloric acid, we can write it HCl. Nitric acid, it is HNO3. Third one is sulfuric acid, H2SO4. These all acids are very strong in action, so that's why they can burn our skin. So these are called mineral acids. Now here are some bases. Bases which can dissolve are called alkalis, or we can say soluble bases are called alkalis. Here are some bases like sodium hydroxide. hydroxide NaOH, potassium hydroxide KOH. We can find sodium hydroxide in soap bar and potassium hydroxide in liquid soap. Next one is calcium hydroxide CaOH2, and next one is ammonium hydroxide NH4OH. These all are bases, and sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide are caustic alkalis because these are strong. They can also burn our skin. So these are the alkalis, or we can say bases.
Hello.
Students, when acids and bases react with each other, they form salt and water. Here I have written some examples of salt, like NaCl, it's called sodium chloride, MgCl2, magnesium chloride. Next is ZnSO4, zinc sulfate. These are salts. When acids and bases react with each other, they form salt and water. So these are the examples of acids and bases as well as salts. I hope you have understood better and you can learn these very well. Thank you.